Hey guys, Corey here from TacToys. Welcome back to another how-to video. In this video, I'll be going over everything you need to know when unboxing and assembling the Kriss Vector V2. Inside the box, you'll see the Kriss Vector V2, the buttstock, suppressor, and attachment. Lift the product tray, and there's actually a second tray layer containing the magazine, foregrip, laser, torch, safety glasses, rechargeable battery, charging cable, sling attachment, buttstock adapter, second muzzle option, and an assorted bag. Now to assemble, first off you'll need to attach the adapter to the blaster to attach the suppressor. Now both of them screw on clockwise. Now when putting on the adapter, make sure the end without the lip, so this end is going inside the blaster. Once it's like that, you want to screw it clockwise all the way until it's tight. Once that's done, just grab the suppressor and add it onto the end with the lip and screw it again clockwise. Now when installing the buttstock, what you want to do is align the two hinges, one on the blaster and one on the buttstock, to align perfectly so that you're able to fit the pin through. Now what you'll need to do is grab the little pins and the pin lock outside of the assorted bag that you found in the box. This part's going to be a little fiddly, so make sure that you are patient while trying to feed the pin through. So once you have the two aligned, you'll need a little bit of pressure to be able to push the pin through. Once it is through, make sure that you do grab the pin lock so that you can make the pin secure. Attach the pin lock to the bottom of the pin. Once attached, the buttstock can actually extend and fold, which makes it great for close quarters combat. Folding the buttstock is actually quite easy. There's a small little button here. All you need to do is push that and it'll start to fold. Once it's starting to fold, all you do is swing it around and lock it on the little base there. The little base on the side of the blaster, you can see, is designed specifically for the hook on this side. These two align and get caught. Once you want to unfold it, just push up the buttstock a tiny little bit and swing it back until it clicks. To install the foregrip, make sure that you do spin the bottom of the foregrip anti-clockwise to loosen the top. From there, what you want to do is slide onto the Picatinny railing on the bottom of the blaster. Once it's in the correct position, or the position that you like, all you need to do is spin the bottom of the foregrip clockwise to tighten it. The scope that is included on the Vector is primarily cosmetic. If you'd like functional scopes and lasers and torches, make sure that you do go to our tactical accessories range on our website. To attach the torch and laser provided, all you guys need to do is loosen the screws on them, slide them onto the Picatinny railings whichever side you like, and then tighten them with the same screws. There's battery paper pull tabs that you need to pull out to complete the circuit to make both of them work. The battery compartment is actually under the grip of the blaster, right here. All you need to do is pop off the cap, insert the battery, and connect the connectors. Once the battery has been connected, just grab the cap, put it back on, and you're done. To fill the magazine, as with all blasters, there's actually a door on the side. Make sure that you do open that and you fill the gel balls into the side, not the top. Once the mag is inserted correctly, you're ready to shoot. Now, to release the mag, there's a small button on this side. It's orange. All you need to do is push that one. The magazine will slightly drop out and you're good to go. With the Vector V2, it actually features a safety switch and a fire select switch. The safety switch is located just above the trigger, and the fire selector switch is just to the right of that. With the multi-select fire mode, you actually have a single fire, a 3-shot burst, and full auto. For more information on how to grow the gel balls and care for your gel blaster, make sure that you do watch all of the videos on our website and YouTube channel. This is Corey from TacToys. Happy blasting.